How should you take care of yourself during the divorce process? I get asked that question a lot. Hi, I'm board certified divorce lawyer Christopher Bruce, and let me give you my best tips for taking care of yourself during the divorce process. I'm going to be a little bit unconventional here. There's a lot of common sense stuff out there like take care of your health, take care of your mental health. All that stuff makes a lot of sense, but I think the biggest thing you can do to take care of yourself during the divorce process is to have a vision for what you want your life to be like after the divorce, along with a desire to achieve that vision. If you know your why, you know your purpose for getting divorced, and you believe that you can get to that better life that you desire and deserve to be living, if you truly believe those things, everything will fall into place. Look, I'm not saying don't pay attention to the obvious stuff. Take care of your health. I'm a firm believer that if you have the time, yes, make time for yourself. Try to carve out at least an hour a day and just focus on yourself, whether that's going to a therapist, whether it's exercising, whether it's ideally both, because diet and exercise and having your head on straight and being empowered are exceptionally important, and they're really the bedrock of a healthy life that you want to be having when the divorce is over. That's all important stuff to focus on. But if you're going to do anything, get your divorce vision down, know your why, and believe that it's something you're entitled to and that you deserve. If you do that, you will be taking care of yourself in more than enough way to get you across the finish line and to the life that you need to start living. Bonus tip, pro tip before we end. Start living that life now. Start as soon as possible. You don't need a piece of paper from a divorce court judge to start living all the aspects of the life that you really want. Remember that as you're going through the process. Got any other ideas, any hot tips on this? Please put them in the comments below. Like and subscribe for more information. If you want help developing your why, check out the links in the description. The book, How to Control Your Difficult Divorce, talks a lot about developing your why early on and how to execute upon a legal strategy to get that why. I think that'd be especially helpful. If you're looking at divorce in the Southeast Florida area, we welcome your contact. My law firm, the Bruce Law Firm, has 10 plus attorneys. We represent people mostly from Vero Beach south to Miami. If you're in that area, it would be our pleasure to help you. I hope this has been useful to you. If there's anything else we can cover, please let us know what you want to hear about in the comments, and catch you next time.